Hello students, today we are going to learn the topic large numbers around us. Have you ever wondered how many people live in a city or how far the moon is from Earth? Numbers help us understand such things, and sometimes those numbers are really big. In everyday life, we use small numbers like 10 or 1000. But for things like country populations or space distances, we need huge numbers like lakhs and crores. Now, let's dive into how big a lakh really is. Ishwarappa, a farmer from Karnataka, hears about 1 lakh varieties of rice once grown in India. If someone tastes 3 new rice varieties daily, how long would it take to try them all? The calculation is 3 varieties per day multiplied by 365 days per year multiplied by 100 years, which equals 109,500 varieties. Even over a century, tasting 3 varieties daily just surpasses 1 lakh. This illustrates how vast 1 lakh truly is. Next, let's look at when a lakh doesn't seem so big. For example, the giant cricket stadium in Ahmedabad can seat more than 1 lakh people. Imagine fitting the entire 2024 population of Chintamani into that stadium. Suddenly, 1 lakh feels more contained. Think about the hair on your head. Most people have between 80,000 and 1 lakh 20,000 hair. That's around 1 lakh hair fitting in the small space of your scalp. Additionally, in nature, some fish lay almost 1 lakh eggs at once. So, whether a lakh feels big or small really depends on the context. Now, let's talk about reading and writing large numbers using the Indian place value system. The first 3 digits from the right are the units, tens, and hundreds. The next 2 digits are the thousands. Following that, the next 2 digits are the lakhs, and the digits after lakhs are the crores. In the Indian system, numbers are grouped into hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crores, and so on. Using commas correctly is key for reading and writing large numbers clearly. For example, let's break down the number 33,53,289 in the Indian place value system. It consists of 33 lakhs, 53,000 and 289 units. So, the number is read as 33 lakhs 53,289. Now, let's compare this with the international system of writing numbers. In the international system, the first 3 digits from the right are units, tens, and hundreds. The following 3 digits are the thousands. The next 3 digits are the millions, and the next 3 digits refer to the billions. In the Indian system, commas are placed after the first 3 digits from the right, then every 2 digits. For instance, as in the number 1 crore. In contrast, the international system places commas after every 3 digits from the right, like in 10 million. Now, comparing the two number systems, in the Indian system, 1 lakh equals 100,000 in the international system. Similarly, 10 lakhs equals to 1 million, 1 crore equal to 10 million, 10 crores equal to 100 million, and 1 Arab, or 100 crores, is equal to 1 billion in international system. Next, let's learn how to read large numbers in both systems. For instance, take the original number 9,876,501,234. In the Indian system, it is read as 9 Arab, 87 crore, 65 lakh, 1,234. Alternatively, it can be read as 987 crore, 65 lakh, 1,234. In the international system, it is read as 9,876,501,234. Next, let's explore the concept of place value. What is place value? Place value refers to the value of a digit based on its position in a number. Each position represents a specific value, such as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. For example, in the number 4582, the digit 4 is in the thousands place, so it equals 4000. The digit 5 is in the hundreds place, which equals 500. The digit 8 is in the tens place, equating to 80, and the digit 2 is in the ones place, so it equals 2. Now, let's meet Creative Chitti, a calculator demonstrating how numbers can be formed in various ways. For example, to form 7825, one method is 7 times 1000 plus 8 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 5 times 1, which equals 7000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 5. Another method could be 5 times 1000 plus 28 times 100 plus 25 times 1, which equals 5000 plus 2800 plus 25. A third method could be 6 times 1000 plus 18 times 100 plus 25 times 1, which results in 6000 plus 1800 plus 25, leading to 7825. Next up, we have systematic SIP's approach, which aims to use the fewest button clicks possible to create a number. This involves pressing each place value button exactly the number of times shown by the digit in that place. For instance, for 7825, you would press the plus 1000 button 7 times, 7000, the plus 100 button 8 times, 800, the plus 10 button 2 times, 20, and the plus 1 button 5 times, 5. The total clicks would be 7 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 22. This leads to the expanded form 7 times 1000 plus 8 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 5 times 1 is equal to 7000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 5. Let's talk about the expanded form of numbers. This involves breaking down a number to show each digit's value by multiplying each digit by its place value and summing all the products to get the original number. This reveals the composition of the number. For example, let's expand 9614. In the thousands place, the digit 9 represents 9000. In the hundreds place, the digit 6 equals 600. The digit 1 in the tens place equals 10, and the digit 4 in the ones place equals 4. Putting it all together, 9614 equals 9000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 4. Moving on 2 crores and beyond, we find even larger numbers. 1 lakh is 1 followed by 5 zeros. Similarly, 1 crore is 1 followed by 7 zeros and 1 arab is 1 followed by 9 zeros. Understanding large numbers in the Indian system is crucial. Now, let's discuss estimation and rounding. Why estimate? Estimation provides a fast way to understand large numbers without needing exact figures. It has real-life applications in daily scenarios like budgeting, travel planning, or reading headlines. The exact value is a precise and specific number, while the approximate value is a rounded or estimated figure. Rounding is the process of making a number simpler while keeping it close to the original value. When rounding, you look at the digit to the right of the place you're rounding to. If it's 5 or more, you round up, and if it's 4 or less, you keep it the same. All digits after the rounding place become 0. Let's see an example of rounding the number 4,39,46,782. If we are rounding to the nearest 1000, we look at the hundreds digit, which is 7. Since 7 is greater than 5, we round up to 4,39,47,000. Similarly, if we are rounding to the nearest 10,000, we look at the thousands digit, which is 6. Since 6 is greater than 5, we round up to 4,39,50,000. Next, if we want to round to the nearest lakh, we look at the 10,000s digit, which is 4. Since 4 is lesser than 5, our number would be 4 crores, 39 lakhs. In the same manner, If we want to round to the nearest crore, we will check the 10 lakhs digit, which is 3. We can see that 3 is lesser than 5, so our number would be rounded to 4 crores. Estimating sums and differences is also important. For example, to estimate the sum of 4,63,128 plus 4,19,682, we can round to the nearest lakh. This gives us approximately 5 lakhs plus 4 lakhs, which leads to an estimated total of 9 lakhs. If we round to the nearest 10,000, we get 4,60,000 plus 4,20,000, leading to 8,80,000. The exact answer is 8,82,810, so our estimation of 8,80,000 is very close. In another example, to estimate the difference of 14,63,128 and 4,90,020, we can round to the nearest lakh. This will give us approximately 15 lakhs minus 5 lakhs, leading to an estimated difference of 10 lakhs. If we round to the nearest 10,000, we get 14,60,000 minus 4,90,000, leading to 9,70,000. The exact answer is 9,73,108, so our estimate of 9,70,000 is again very close. In conclusion, we've explored large numbers, learning how to read and write them using the Indian and international systems. We've also discussed the importance of place value, estimation, and rounding. Understanding these concepts helps us navigate and comprehend the big numbers we encounter in our daily lives.